Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to make a wire transfer from PNC bank. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply log into your account. So you're going to have to simply go to PNC and then simply click on sign on and then simply click on login here. So you're going to have to enter your user ID and password, and then what you're going to have to do is simply check if you're eligible for self-service wires. So if you're able to make an online wire payment, you see a tab for transfer funds followed by send a wire or international transfer. So basically you should see them here at the top, and of course if you are eligible, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on send a wire or international transfer, and then you're gonna have to simply enter the recipient payment details and then simply the amount, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.